Hi friends, myself Libin. Today I'm going to explain about price action trading. So this is one of the most important technique we can use for intraday trading. So we know like most of the people are using lot of technical indicators like VWAP, RSI, like that lot of techniques we are using. But here we are not using any technical analysis. So this is purely into price action. So like based on the price movement, we can take an entry in intraday trading. So all those things I'll be explaining through this video. So how to draw and how we can take an entry and how where we have to keep stop loss. So all those things I'll be explaining through this video. So watch completely this video, then only you'll be getting a better idea on price action trading. Okay, before going to the topic, if you are seeing first time my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. Also enable the bell icon so that you'll be getting notification immediately if I upload any new videos. And the same way, like those who are interested to learn more about market, you can visit my YouTube channel Libin EJ and you can see a lot of videos related to market. So those who are interested to learn more about intraday or delivery or margin, all those things I have updated in my YouTube channel. So you can visit my YouTube channel and you can learn more about market. Okay, let us come to the topic. So today I am going to explain about price action trading. So for identifying the price action trading, the first thing is that we have to identify the day low and high. So like if you want to take an entry for tomorrow, so today's day low and high we have to mark and keep. So based on that only we can take an entry. So the first thing is like today is 18th November. So if you want to take an intraday on today, we should identify the previous day low and high. So first I will show you how to mark the lows and high. So this is 17th November, you can see here, the date you can see here, this is 17th November. So we are going to trade on today, that is 18th November. So we should identify like the same day, like once the market is closed, like 17th market is closed, we can identify the day low and high. So this is the area we can see, like only you have to consider the body of the candle. So wick of the candle, don't consider. So here this is the high of the market that day, and if you see the low will be coming here, this area. So we have to mark these two areas. Then only we will be able to take trade on the next day. So I will show you how to mark that. So here you can see there is an arrow here. So just click on that arrow. So that will be the line. Okay, here you can see there is a horizontal line. So just click on the horizontal line. So once you click on the line, you can see here what is one blue dot line. So just click on that line and here you can see, just you can move wherever you want, you can move this line, and here you have to keep the top of the candle. So this is the day high. So just mark this area as the day high. So the line you can see there is a blue line is coming there, and now what you have to do means you have to mark the day low also. Again you have to go to the same place. So you have to go to the horizontal area. So here you can see, so this is the day low. So just mark these two area. So this is how we are doing price action trading. So now we have marked the day low and high of 17th November. So now we are going to the 18th November, that is today. So whenever the day low or high is breaking, now we can go to here. So here you can see like market is open here. Okay. So 18th November, you can see clearly, you can see the day high is not breaking and market is going down. And here and all you don't take an entry, okay, until you get a proper confirmation, don't go for an entry, because if you see the candle pattern here, it's not looking good, right? So on those occasions, don't take an entry. If the candle's formation is very good, then only we can go for an entry. And at the end of the day, you can see the candle is not, the day high or low is not breaking, because the Nifty is going in between, both sides you can see. So there is no chance of entry. So we have to wait until the day low or high has to break. Then only we can take an entry. So we have to wait till it has to break the day low or high. And at the end of the day, you can see here, this area you can see, okay. So that is what in my Telegram channel also you can see, I have mentioned we can buy Nifty above 12,905. So that is the entry point, because we know this is the area. So this was the yesterday's day high. So if this point is broken, we can go for a C set. That is what I have clearly mentioned in my group, 12,900 5 was the entry point today. And if you see here, this area you can see like there is a proper breakout. So once the day high is broken, we can go for a buying side. So after that you can see like almost 45 points movement has happened after that. And after that if you see the stop loss, so stop loss you can keep like 10 points below the day high. If you are going with the Nifty or Bank Nifty, you can keep like almost 20 points you can keep. Or if you are going with stock, you can keep only 10 points is more than enough. So this is how we have to identify the day low or a high. So based on that, we can take an entry in Nifty or Bank Nifty. So same way I will show you yesterday's day and low in Bank Nifty also. Okay, let us see Bank Nifty now. So yesterday already I have taken the day low and high. Okay, here you can see this was the day high of 17, and here you can see this is the low, because already I have marked here. Okay, so this is the blue line I already have marked, and here you can see the first candle itself. You can see here you can see the first candle itself. It was broken the day high, and after that if you see the movement, you can see that it is not even coming down to that area. So whenever it is crossing the level, we can take an entry. So this is like purely into price action trading. Okay, like based on the price movement, we can take an entry. So here we will not be using any technical analysis. Only based on the price movement, we can take an entry, and the success rate will be higher. Okay, compared to other technical analysis. Because if you know, like a technical analysis will not be working all the time, but price action will be working all the time. So let us see like some of the stock also, like how the stocks were performing based on price action trading. Okay, now I have opened Jubal Food. Okay, Jubal Food, let us see like how it is performed based on price action trading, because already the line is there. Just I will remove once again and I will show you how to draw again. Okay, so I have removed the lines, and first thing we will go to the previous day. So previous day is 17th. So we will go to the horizontal line here. So first thing we will mark the day high. So you can see here, this is the day high, and now we will go to day low also. So again we have to go to the horizontal level, and you can see this was the day low. Okay, 17 starting itself, you can see here, you can see this is the day low. So now we are done with the drawing. So now we have to see like how this is going to work on 18th November. So 18th November you can see here. So this area you can see early morning itself, it is crossed the previous day high. So after that you can see like first green candle itself, you can take an entry, and your stop loss will be 10 points. So maximum 10 points is enough for stock. Okay, if you are going for a stock like around 1500 to 2000, so 10 to 15 points stop loss is more than enough. And the day high or low has to break with a candle, then only we can take an entry. So here you can see the first occasion, you can see here this area, if you see, it is just breaking, but the candle has not formed. So the candle has to form above the line, then only we can take an entry. So if you see like here, you can see there is a pullback, but after that if you see the proper candle here, and if you take an entry, okay, with the first candle itself you can take an entry. So we have to wait for the one candle to form properly. So if one candle is formed above the day high or low, then we can go for an entry. And here you can see like after that immediately you can see that is going upside, and if you maintain 10 point stop loss, and you can see like how much it went up. It went up more than 50 points from there. So this is how we can take a price action trading in intraday trading. Let us see some more stock also. Okay, now let us see some more stock. Okay, so here you can see Balakrishna Industries. So yesterday's previous day high you can see here. So this is a blue line. Okay, I have already marked like 17th November day high, and you can see exactly, you can see this area was broken, and with the first candle itself we can take an entry. So if the previous day high or low is broken, so the entry will be based on that side. If it is high is broken, we can go for a buying side, and if it is a day low is broken, we can go for a sell side. So purely you can see how the price was moved up after the day high or low is broken. Now again we can see Bharati Airtel also. Let us see. So this is a small stock. Okay, so this is how, okay, this is the day low. So here you can see this was the previous day low, and with the candle here itself we can see the candle is broken, and you can see like more than 10 point movement is happened after the day low is broken. So we can go for a sell side. So in the same way, let us see L&D also. So L&D also, if you see here, so this area you can see here. So the previous day high was broken with a candle. So after that you can see like more than 60 points movement is happened. So only thing is that we have to identify where is the day low and high, and based on that we have to draw the lines. So once the line is broken, immediately we can go for an entry. Like based on the first candle itself, we can take an entry and our stop loss will be only 10 points. So if you see, you can keep a stop loss of 10 points here. So you can see that after that it is not even coming to that area. Okay, again we can see like some more stock we can see here. You can see SRT Finance. So here you can see with this candle itself we can take an entry. So our stop loss will be 10 points. So after that you can see like more than 30 to 40 points movement is happened. So this is how we have to identify the entry. So first thing is like previous day high and low we have to mark, like for the next day trading. Like if you want to trade tomorrow, today's high and low you have to mark. So if the day high is breaking, we can go for a buy side, and if the day low is breaking, we can go for a sell side. So this is purely into price action trading. So the accuracy will be higher compared to any other technique. Like if you use VWAP or RSI or anything, so that the technical analysis will not be working all the time, but price action trading will be working all the time. So this is one of the very good tool, okay, you can use for your intraday trading. And let us see like one or two more stock also. Let us analysis. So if you go to, okay, let us see the health industries. Okay, so health industries, if you see Dr. Reddy. So Dr. Reddy here you can see. So this area you can see it was not broken. It was broken the day low, and after that you can see like more than 80 points down from the day low. So this is how we can get an entry. Like if the day high is not breaking, also we can go for an entry, and if things are taking support here, then also we can go for an entry. So I will show you that also now. Okay, this is the next situation. Okay, so here we know like the day high was not broken here. So immediately you can see that this is the day high, and it came there and it touched there. After the red candle is formed, we can go for a sell side. So if the day high is not breaking, and from exactly if it is touching and forming a red candle, we can go for a sell side, because it is not going to break the day high, because it is taking resistance there, and that is the reason it is showing you the red candle. So as soon as the red candle is formed, we can go for a sell side. And here you can see exactly you can see it was came and touched this area. This area you can see it is touched there and forming a red candle. So with the first red candle itself, we can go for a sell side. So this is the other situation. Okay, if it is not breaking, we can go for a sell side. So if it is breaking and forming a green candle, we can go for a buy side. And in the same way, if the day low is breaking and going down, we can go for a sell side. And if the day low is not breaking and forming a green candle, we can go for a buying side. That also I will show you once. Okay, now here you can see devious law. Okay, so here if you see the morning situation, so it was coming to the day low, so it is not breaking the day low. So here you can see like almost it was touched the day low. So after the green candle, we can go for a buy side, and probability of it will go to the day high to break. So exactly you can see it is moving to this area and going to the day high. So like whenever it is not crossing the day high, immediately if you see the green candle, we can go for a buying side. So exactly you can see here. So with the first candle itself, we can take an entry, and you can keep a stop loss also just below the day low. So day low if it is not breaking, you can make sure that it will be going upside. So this is all about price action trading. Like if based on your you can decide like how you can make an entry based on price movement. Like if the things are crossing, then we can go for a buying side, and if it is taking a resistance at day high, then we can go for a sell side. In the same way, if it is breaking the day low, we can go for a sell side, and if it is taking a support at day low, we can go for a buying side. So this is purely into price action trading. So in the same thing, same update even I have given in my Telegram channel also. When I have recommended Nifty, you can buy above the yesterday's high, and exactly you can see like after that it was moved almost 40 to 45 points movement. So this is how we can take an entry and we can take an exit also. Like if you feel like we can at least we can make minimum 20 points in stock, or if you are going with the Nifty or Bank Nifty, at least you can make around 50 to 60 point also we can make, because if the things are closing, there will be a huge movement we can expect. So this is all about price action trading. So now I'll show you my Telegram channel also. Okay, this is my Telegram channel. Okay, this is a free channel. Like those who are interested to join, you can join this channel. The link I have mentioned in the description. So you can go to my description and you can join to this channel. So here also you can see clearly. You can see here I have mentioned. We can see an upside possible only once it is crossed yesterday's high. So here you can see after that immediately if you see that 12,905 was my prediction, and if it is breaking the yesterday's high, then we can expect a upper side movement. And same thing you can see after that immediately once it is crossed. So in the chart also you can see like, so almost 40 to 50 points movement was happened after the yesterday's high was broken. So this is how we can take an entry. So all the updates you will be getting in this channel. Okay, so this channel is absolutely free channel, and those who are interested to join this channel, you can join this channel. The link I have mentioned in the description. And the same way, like those who are interested to open an account in Angel Broking or Alice Blue, you can open the account. The link I have mentioned in the description. So you can go to my description and you can open the account in Angel Broking or Alice Blue. And the same way, like those who are interested to join this channel, you can join this channel. For that also I have given the link in the description. So hope today's topic is clear, and if you need any clarification related to price action trading, you can comment below this video. And the same way, this is like one of the most important technique we can use for our intraday trading, and the accuracy rate also will be higher. So always you have to mark like previous day or current day itself. We have to identify which are the day high and low. So we have to mark that and be ready for the next day trading. So once the day high or low is broken, immediately we can go for an entry. So our stop loss will be just below the day high or low, and we can expect like target will be like 10 to 20 points also we can expect. Like if the things are moving correctly, we can like you can modify the stop loss and we can book the profit. At least 10 to 20 points and all easily we can book based on price action trading. So this is one of the most important technique we can use for our intraday trading. So if you are really satisfied with this topic, don't forget to like my video, and the same way you can share this video to your friends who are interested in trading. So kindly subscribe, like, share. Thanks for watching.